If you are preparing for the O-level eMaths paper 4052, stop guessing what to study. You don't have time to blindly drill whole exam papers over and over again without a roadmap. Welcome back to Exam Paper Strategist. Today, I am giving you a complete walkthrough of our official eMaths Strategic GPS module. This app is 100% free, and it is engineered to do one specific job: turn your past mistake data into a precise, high-yield study plan. Let's look at exactly how to use this engine to find your structural weaknesses and fix them before exam day. First, let's look at the top navigation deck. Right at the top right, you'll see a row of vital utility icons. The Import JSON button, upload icon. Click this to restore your data. If you change browsers or devices, just upload your saved file here to pick up exactly where you left off. The Export JSON button, download icon. This is your backup lifeline. Since this app stores data locally in your browser for absolute privacy, click this button to download your backup file after every data logging session. Keep this file safe. The Print PDF button, printer icon. Need a hard copy for your revision folder or to show your tutor? Hit this button. The app has custom print styles built in that clean up the interface perfectly for a clean sheet of paper or a PDF save. The plus Add Paper button. This prominent blue button is your gateway. Clicking it takes you right into the data entry engine whenever you finish marking a new test paper. Now, let's examine the main dashboard layout, starting with the syllabus coverage tracking card. At a glance, look at the top right of this section. You will immediately see your overall database percentage in a large font. But look right underneath it. We have integrated our snapshot counters block. Papers analyzed tracks the total quantity of exam papers processed in your ecosystem. Questions logged tracks the sheer volume of data points you've mapped. Look at the main chart. It displays two entirely different critical metrics side by side for each topic. The light blue bars represent the static syllabus target weightings, showing you exactly how heavy a topic typically features in the O-levels based on recent trend. The second bar represents your actual personal mastery percentage for that topic. But remember, just turning a bar green isn't the end goal. To secure your distinction, your target is to push the mastery level of every single topic as close to 100% as possible, keeping 80% as your absolute minimum safe zone. This dual bar design stops you from celebrating a high overall paper score when you actually bombed a highly weighted critical topic. Scroll down to the bottom left, and you will see the heart of our diagnostic model, the Strategic Study Priority Matrix. The app takes your topic-by-topic performance and multiplies it against the syllabus weight to calculate a live study impact score. It then ranks every single topic from priority number 1 down to priority number 18. Notice the color-coded tiers on the right side of each element. Green tiers mean you are in the safe zone of 80% or higher mastery. Amber tiers flag topics between 60% and 79% that require minor tuning. Red tiers highlight critical failures under 60%. Don't spend time revising topics you are already strong at. When you open this app, look directly at priority number 1 and number 2. That is your immediate revision agenda for tonight. Finally, let's look at the right-hand column, the progress tracker. This chart shows your trend line over time, but we have completely re-engineered how it filters data using these 4 distinct slicer buttons. The All Slicer. This plots your chronological trajectory, showing individual Paper 1 and Paper 2 scores as independent, side-by-side data points so you can track overall progress. The P1 plus P2. Slicer. This isolates only your full composite sets. If you sat a full trial paper with both paper 1 and paper 2 concurrently, it charts the combined balanced percentage, the P1 slicer. If you enter a compound exam like a school prelim, clicking this button plucks out only the paper 1 component score to see your speed and accuracy on short form items. The P2 slicer. Similarly, this filters out only the paper 2 component score to analyze your structural longevity and performance on high-weight, structured questions. Right beneath the tracker chart, the recent attempts list lets you review your historical library. Clicking on any individual exam title here opens up the data entry engine automatically so you can audit or tweak your logged rows. Now, let's walk through exactly how to log your test papers using the data entry engine. When you click that blue plus Add Paper button, it brings you to this clean, specialized worksheet. Step 1. Name your exam. At the very top, click the placeholder and type in your exam set name, like Prelim Paper 2025 or TYS 2024. Step 2. Navigate the paper tabs. Right below the title, you'll see two large toggle buttons, Paper 1 and Paper 2. Click between them to log the questions for each respective paper. Step 3. Log the question rows. For every mistake or question you want to track, click plus Add Question Row at the bottom. In the first box, input the exact question number from the exam paper, so you can easily reference it in your physical booklet later. Use the drop-down menu to tag the exact syllabus topic that question belongs to. Finally, enter your earned score in the indigo box, followed by the maximum marks in the gray box. Pro tip for the best tracking experience. To get the most out of your progress tracker chart, always input both Paper 1 and Paper 2 under a single unified attempt before clicking Save. If you sat a full trial or prelim series, don't create two separate exam entries for them. Keep them inside the same window, fill out both tabs, and let the engine automatically calculate your balanced composite score. Once you have finished logging your paper data, hit the massive Lock in Results button at the bottom. The app immediately updates your entire dashboard, re-ranks your study priorities, and plots your new trajectory on the progress line. Data-driven revision is how you move your grade from a borderline pass to a solid distinction. Stop guessing. Start tracking. The link to access this 100% free O-level eMaths Strategic GPS is in the description below. If someone tried to sell you this software, let us know in the comments because this module belongs to the community completely free. Make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to an Exam Paper Strategist, and share this tool with your classmates. Let's conquer this paper together. See you in the next strategy session.